Hi, I'm Brian Hermann with MarineMax. We're here at the Pompano Beach Yacht Center in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're on the new Azimut S6. And they say that technology opens new horizons, and that certainly is the case for the S6. With a propulsion system with 3 IPS drives, carbon technology, we also have a Seakeeper tender garage for a 10-foot 10 tender. There's so much more. Let me show you everything that there is on this boat. Hydraulic swim platform. If you look up, there's a shade that comes out over the very large sunning area. We've got an exterior cockpit area. You'll notice the carbon fiber table. They've utilized the carbon fiber in this area with carbon fiber accents. Very contemporary feel. We also have a backing station with a joystick because we do have the IPS system. We've also got a bow thruster, which makes it very easy to pull this boat in reverse and dock it. All right, so let's move forward. We'll come into the interior, and you'll notice that the interior area is very different from the contemporary cockpit area. They've utilized Italian leather. You'll notice stainless steel. And you'll also see the galley flow seamlessly. Only thing separating it is this suspended area, which creates a very large salon area. You've got a large screen TV. Moving forward, make note of the opening sunroof. You also have pull-out refrigeration. Makes it very easy to carry items. All Miele equipment. You've got a Marine touchscreen system for your navigation, but it also controls your electrical on the boat, controls air conditioning, and you've got all your controls here that you had at the docking station plus more. You've got a 360-degree sea view. So it feels like you're out on the ocean like it should. So the S6 is a 3-cabin model plus crew. It's got a very large master with a very emphasis on livability and freedom. Notice how elegant the master cabin is. And as we move forward, also take a look at the master bath. Also features a washer and dryer. Moving forward, you have the elegant VIP. Can you imagine your guests enjoying this cabin? Now we'll take a look at the third guest cabin, and I'll meet you up top. So to go over a few of the key features again on the S6, carbon fiber technology, IPS drives, Seakeeper, your family will be comfortable. Again, I'm Brian Hermann with MarineMax here at Pompano Beach Yacht Center. Come see us. We've got this boat in inventory at the Pompano Beach Yacht Center. Schedule a private showing and let us help get you and your family back out on the water for some focused, quality time together. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the walkthrough.